Hey guys, this is my first ever YouTube video I've ever done. I'd actually like to do more of these videos and show you guys kind of the stuff I do around here. But today I'm going to show you guys how to install a CNC 4-line feed kit on your 7.3, whether it's a Super Duty or OBS. So let's get into it. Before I continue, I'd actually like to tell you guys CNC Fabrication, I am not sponsored by them or anything, but I would definitely like to say this kit, or I'm sure this is my first time buying anything from them, but this kit, when I got it, was packaged very nicely. Obviously, I've already taken off all the packaging. I've already taken out the sticker and everything. I'll put that all inside. But they package this very well. They left instructions. This part right here, the main piece, was in the box, packaged very nicely. All these lines were wrapped very nicely and very well taken care of. So this is basically what the kit consists of. Is you get 4 lines, and each of them these ends will feed right into the heads, each part of the head. The benefit of this kit is that it will help keep fuel pressure equal on both sides of the head, front and back, instead of being pushed from the back side and then pushed all the way forward and then being returned from the front. It is going to keep the whole thing balanced. So it's a nice benefit of having this kit. And today I'll show you guys how to install it. So this is my OBS 7.3 Powerstroke, and it is still in the process of being made right now. But I have the injectors for this thing. I got my jelly built tuner to put in this thing, and now I have the CNC 4-line feed kit to feed into this. And if you guys are wondering, what I have done is I have a fast fuel system. So I got rid of the mechanical pump that sits right down in there. I got a plug for it. The kit does give you a new plug, but I already had a plug in it from the past. So when I took it out, obviously I found this kit, so I changed my whole idea and mindset. So yeah, but this is my 7.3. It's an OBS, and I bought a parts truck, put it in here, put the parts engine in this one. I got sent the whole head out, and got the head all taken care of, got everything else checked out, and yeah, everything else looks good. These are the stainless steel headers I got for them. Found those on, I believe, eBay. So I am running the Super Duty style type of turbo. I will be upgrading this turbo, obviously, to help work with the stage 2 injectors. But for now, we're going to run the stock one for a little bit. And I'm still kind of doing a little bit of research of what turbo I want to run. I think I want to do a KC turbo. I'm not fully sure, but from a lot of people do recommend KC. When I went down the UCC, the KC booth was really, really, really awesome. I believe it was the owner's wife of KC Turbo who took really good care of me, and you know, she led me in the right direction. So I think I'm going to go for KC Turbo. But leave a comment on what you guys recommend. I would definitely check them out. Like I said, I don't really know what I want to do yet. I definitely want to go for KC Turbo. My brother, with his 0173, which I might show you guys, he's running a BD Thruster 2 Turbo, and that turbo's been through a lot. So, but like I said, I definitely want to try another brand and see how it goes. So, definitely give it a shot. The engine's also studded too, so that's sweet. And yeah, but let's get to the installation of this video. So first thing first is you want to get rid of your fuel bowl and all that. Obviously, if you're running this kit, you're more than likely not going to have the fuel bowl and stuff. So I would start off by removing the fuel bowl. And if you have the OBS truck, I would remove the mechanical pump down there too. Obviously, you're going to need to, because the block's going to sit right there. You want to move your turbo. That's another thing. Honestly, the Super Duty style is a little more easier than the OBS trucks. And then you want to remove both these pillars. One holds, obviously, your AC compressor, and the other one holds your alternator. I can't remember which one's which, but I believe the OBS Super Duty are flipped, but either way, it doesn't really matter. So you get to these 2 ports over here, and yeah, pretty much. You might want to remove your H-pop lines too. pretty much that's really it. Also, if you guys have a good H-pop company you guys would recommend, I'd like to know. I'll be running stage 2 injectors in this truck, so whatever you guys would recommend out there for that type of those type of injectors, let me know. Leave a comment down below, and yeah, let me get this turbo off, and I'll be back to you guys. Everything off, I would recommend to do this. I have all the lines put out of where they belong. In the book over there, it will tell you to put each of the lines where they're marked. So like, for example, this one's PF, passenger front. That one's PR, passenger rear. This one is DR, driver rear, and then DF, driver front. And then this block is not fully tightened down yet, but this will feed to each part of the head. There's 4 ports across the whole head. This is where you can run a sensor if you had like a fuel pressure gauge, or they can also give you the block off bolt or block off plug to put in there to stop anything from going out if you didn't have any of those. I do not have one yet, but I do plan on getting a fuel pressure gauge soon, so probably will see that on the channel next. And then they give you a front port to run your FAST or Air Dog or your own homemade electric fuel pump. What also comes in the kit is new O-rings for the turbo and turbo pedestal. The plug for the OBS trucks for the mechanical pump. Obviously, like I said, I installed one a while back when I deleted my pump. And then they give you hardware to mount down the block. So, let me get everything else taken care of, and I'll show you guys the update. So this is the 4-line feed kit, completely complete. I use some sealant on all the threads just to be safe. And put the plug in. Obviously, I will be getting a fuel pressure gauge. And I probably will get a monitor, so I have to figure out how that's all going to work. I don't know if I can wire them together or what, but when we get to that point, we will. And then I got my feed port right here for my FAST to go right into. I kind of put it at an angle because I think what I'm going to do is run the fuel line up and then up and over and then in some way somehow to this. Not fully sure, but soon I'll get that up in there. And other than that, it was a really easy project. Probably took me about 30 minutes. Obviously, I had most of my stuff off. And if you don't include taking the turbo and all this stuff off, it's probably like a 30-minute job or less. It's really not that bad. But yeah, no, like I said, once we get this truck up and going, which is going to be soon, once I get my Jelly Built tuner and stage 2 injectors in this thing should be sweet. And I'll update you guys about the CNC 4-line feed kit and anything else. But yeah, other than that, it's coming along pretty good. The project's going really good so far. I just want to get this painted. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of my videos, this is my first upload. Honestly, it wasn't too much, but I'll probably be posting more about other things. Like I have an 83 Mercedes-Benz I bought for my brother. I'm working on that a little bit. I'll probably post some videos about that. And I have my dually, and then I just got a new project, which is an 08 F550 with a 6.4 in it. So that's going to be an awesome project too. But this thing will be pretty sweet once it's done, which I'm hoping it'll be done 2024 is my goal. Hopefully done before my senior year ends. So yeah, that's the hope. But if you guys want to see more, just comment, like, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So